Lativation cough.
And then, if the umbilicus does not remain in a straight line, okay, line when the abdominals, okay, contract. For example, diba, when you notice, when you do a partial sit-up, center again na curvy si umbilicus.
Yes.
Okay? Now, kung uupo mo, center sa gihapon na siya. Now, if unbalanced bitaw ang inyong abs, okay? For example, if your left abs is stronger than your right abs, asa man ang pull ana niya? To the left or
To the left.
so sa stronger,
To the left.
shot to the left. Okay? So when you do a partial sit-up, ang imong umbilicus will move to the left. Okay? So that's, move siya, i-pull man siya sa stronger side. Diba? For example, stronger sa left, weak sa right. So once you do a partial sit-up or upo, diba, once you cough, you can feel your abdominals contract.
Yes.
Okay? So when you cough, you gahi.
Yes, miss.
Gahi.
Oh.
Okay, so pull siya towards the stronger side. So positive siya for fever sign. Okay? Weakness of abdominals to the right side. Or weakness of right abdominal muscle.